This is a smart gas detection and control system for home safety. This system not only detects harmful gases but also takes immediate actions. It alerts with a display message, turns on an exhaust fan, sounds a buzzer, lights up an LED, and even opens a door automatically to ensure safety. Let's get started. For this project, we will need an Arduino UNO board, MQ135 gas sensor, 16x2 LCD display with I2C module, servo motor for door mechanism, one LED, 220 ohm resistor, one small buzzer, single channel relay module to control the exhaust fan, one 3.3 volt lithium-ion battery to power the motor, one small breadboard, some jumper wires, a USB cable. Now let's assemble the circuit. First, we will provide power to the breadboard. Connect the Arduino's 5 volt pin to the red power rail on the breadboard. Connect the GND, that is ground pin, to the blue power rail. This will supply power to all components through the breadboard. Next, let's connect the MQ135 gas sensor. Connect its VCC pin to the red power rail, GND pin to the blue power rail, and the AO, that is analog output pin, to analog pin A0 on the Arduino. Now we'll connect the LCD with the I2C module. Connect the VCC and GND pins of the I2C module to the red and blue power rails respectively. Then connect the SDA pin to A4 and the SCL pin to A5 on the Arduino. Next is the servo motor, which controls the automatic door. Connect the servo's red wire to the red power rail and its brown wire to the blue power rail. Then connect the orange signal wire to digital pin 4 on the Arduino. Next are the LED and the buzzer for visual and audible alerts. Place the LED on the breadboard. Connect its longer leg, that is anode, to digital pin 2 on the Arduino, and the shorter leg, that is cathode, to the blue power rail through a 220 ohm resistor. For the buzzer, connect the positive terminal to digital pin 3 and the negative terminal to the blue power rail. Now let's wire relay module that controls the exhaust fan. Connect the relay's VCC to VIN of Arduino and GND pin to the blue power rail. Connect the IN pin to digital pin 7 on the Arduino. For the exhaust fan, connect the positive terminal from the motor to the COM terminal on the relay. Now we need to power the motor. Take the single battery with its holder and connect its positive terminal to the NO terminal on the relay. Connect the negative terminal of the motor to the negative terminal of the battery holder. Make sure to double check your connection with the circuit diagram. Now our circuit is ready and we need to add the code. Download the code file given in the description below. Open the code and library files if you have already downloaded the Arduino IDE. Otherwise, download the Arduino IDE first. To begin, we need to include the libraries required for the LCD display and the servo motor. The wire.h and liquid crystal _I2C.h libraries are used to control the LCD via the I2C module. The servo.h library allows us to control the servo motor. Make sure these libraries are installed in your Arduino IDE. Next, we define the variables and objects we will use. Create an object for the LCD display. Define the pin number for the MQ135 sensor, LED, buzzer, relay, and servo. We will also get a gas threshold level to trigger the alerts. In the setup function, we initialize the components. Start communication with the LCD using lcd.begin function. Set the pin modes for the LED, buzzer, and relay. Attach the servo motor to its pin and also display an initial message on the LCD. The loop function constantly monitors the gas level and takes action when the threshold is crossed. First, read the gas level using the analog input pin. Display the gas level on the LCD. If the gas level exceeds the threshold, trigger the alert system. Turn on the LED and buzzer. Activate the relay to turn on the exhaust fan. Open the door using servo motor. You may need to adjust the threshold value in the code based on your sensor readings. And that's it. Now upload your code to the Arduino. Connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using USB cable. And then select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. Now upload the code by clicking the upload button. And now with everything connected and code uploaded. Now integrate the circuit in such a house type structure so that it looks presentable. And that's how our project works. When the MQ135 gas sensor detects harmful gas level, the system triggers safety measures, the LED and buzzer turn on, the exhaust fan activates, and the servo motor opens the door to ensure a quick escape. All actions are displayed on the LCD for real-time monitoring. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.